We will be offering extra support for everyone who has to quarantine or self-isolate on our campuses. To help you settle in when you arrive, we'll provide a kitchen pack, bedding pack, food pack and cleaning pack at no cost. You'll also have access to a laundry service, and we'll support you to order deliveries from online supermarkets and deliver any post or parcels directly to your flat door. Our Student Wellbeing and Inclusivity Service will also be here to help support you, and our Wellbeing Assessors will contact you during your period of quarantine or self-isolation to make sure you are okay and find out if there's any further support and help you might need. We want you to start getting involved straight away, so there'll be a range of virtual activities with online learning opportunities and welcome events, as well as social activities organised by our Residence Life team and our Students' Union to help you meet new friends and make connections.